What's up, you guys? It's Mason. Out here cruising over around Newman Lake. Beautiful weather, beautiful day. On the Street Triple 675R. Okay, that was rough. Hope you guys enjoying the videos. I'm having fun making them. I'm happy with the audio of the Purple Panda. So, yeah, let's just keep making videos and let's just keep riding. Woo. Sure gets up and goes good. Let's see, what road do I want? Not this one, it's the next one. Oh, bump. This is a pretty fun straightaway right here. There should be no one out here either. Oh, there's one car. Woo-wee. What is this? Oh, need to watch for deer. Oh, this road is way rougher. Potholes. This is not as nice of a road, that's for sure. Ugh. This road sucks. Should have not come this way. But we're exploring. So I hope you guys are liking the content. This is video 3, and I'm having fun with it. I'm enjoying making the videos again. I think we're in Washington now. Bet you Newman Lake is coming up soon. Man, I don't, where's that? Scupa's ahead for 1 mile. I wonder where this goes. And that road right there is dirty. It's pretty out here. It's so nice, the spring weather. Everything's green. It's so nice. Oh, there's a rock. Pretty. It's a fun road. Oh, here's a bump. Whoa! Oh, glad I saw that one. Maybe there's a reason why this road's 25 miles an hour. Ooh, tight corner going uphill. Rock. Hey, puppy. The random dog. I was a little nervous to put my hand out. Hello, lady. Yeah, I definitely need to get some fuel. Hey, so this happened to me right before this video, which I'm glad I caught it, because otherwise I would have pushed record and rode off and this entire day would have been lost. But that's why I always dip my head and check my mirror and make sure that I'm actually seeing the red record on your SD cards. If for some reason you push record and the GoPro starts recording it and then it stops, and then it says SD error, and mine was stopping at 11 seconds and stuff. So I had another one a long time ago, but I didn't think anything of it. I just threw the SD card away. It was stopping at 44 seconds. If it does that, your SD card's not bad and your GoPro is not bad. Just plug in your SD card to the computer, open up your SD card, get all of your videos that you have on there, save them. Then you have to wipe everything out. So delete all of your recorded videos. All you're gonna do is go back to where you see the actual SD card and right click on it and you'll see the word format. Click on format and then all you're gonna do is push start. And when you push start, it's gonna prompt you, do you wanna do this? It'll erase everything, blah, blah, push OK, and then it's done. That'll format your SD card, put it back in your GoPro and see if it works. That should make it work. Whoa, that was a red light. Oh yeah. Oh, we got a headwind or something. It's way windier up here. Hopefully we'll have some good audio during that. That was a headwind, so that's another good test. That's something I haven't had yet, is on the freeway with a headwind. Oh man, this is nice. There's like nobody here right now. Okay. Crack this thing open. Some of the good stuff. Let's blow half a tank, so I'm gonna go with, it's gonna take 2.5 gallons. Oh, hey, 2.5 gallons. Just $2.55 for 91 non-ethanol. It took 2.6 gallons and it cost me like $6 something. That's a good one to pull on. Well guys, I hope you're enjoying the videos. I'm enjoying making them. Help support the channel and like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell because I'm going to be uploading videos. My goal is 2 a week, but lately I've been riding so much that I think I'm probably going to be pushing out more videos than that. So, yeah. Thanks for watching guys, and I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.